In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your WhatsApp backup data on Google Drive. So what you'll have to do first is simply go to your Drive and make sure that you're logged in with the same account that you have in your WhatsApp. So what you'll have to do is simply go to the three lines at the top left, then click on Backups. Once you click on Backups, normally here you should find all the backup that you want. For example, here you should find my phone and an example, the backup of that phone because I saved this in Google Drive. For you, you should find WhatsApp backup from a phone number if you back it up. If you didn't back it up, you will not find it. And of course, you can't open or view messages or even photos here, but you can see the date and size of the backup. And you can always click an example on the three dots and delete the backup if you want to. And of course, if you remove it, but this cannot be undone. So if you've done it, you will not be able to get it anymore. So this is an example on the phone. On your PC, if you want to do it, let me just go and switch the scene for you. You can go to drive.google.com and it's basically going to be the same. On this left panel, you can go and click on storage, and on this storage example, you'll find backups at the top right corner. If you go and click on that, here, normally you should find all the backups that you want or that you have. For me, as you can see, the same backup that I found in my phone. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.